was popping, B. So, that. I'm gonna teach y'all how to make this and this. This is used by toothpaste. This is used by flour, salt, and, water. Put that to the side. So what you want to do, I already started, but what you want to do is put some toothpaste. Get the crest, the all whitening. You really don't have to get the all whitening. You just got to get whitening because you need to whiten your teeth because your teeth is yellow. BT dubs. But what you want to do is put it in the microwave 20 seconds. Every 20 seconds, take it out the microwave, get it a little stir. Get that stirring on. You gotta whip it in the kitchen. I've been chefing. I'm gonna go put this in the microwave for another 20 seconds. Yeah. Whoa. What the heck? Should start looking like this. After like 3 times you doing it, it should start looking like this. Then what you want to do, it's gonna be hot. Toothpaste, especially if you warm it up, it's gonna be hot. So be careful. Put a little bit of flour. Move the camera down so you can see. Put a little bit of flour on the table. Need to stop. Put some of the flour there. Put it on here. It's gonna be hot. Drizzle some of the flour. Knead it as best as you can while it's hot, because it's better when you do it while it's hot, because it's going to be like kind of dry if you don't. Listen, this is a key. Another key, subscribe to me. Bars. As you can see, it kind of looks like gum. Ooh, I'm making a big mess. Okay, so while that's like sits right there. No, over here. Yeah, go. You can't leave this out because you're going to have to do something else too. You can throw this in the sink. Made that. Get your bowl. See, I was making some earlier. Anyway, what you want to do is get your bowl. Put a dab of flour. Dab it. Dab it. Dab it. Dab of flour. Dab of salt. Dab. Dab. Okay. Mix that up. Get you some water. Splash. Pour you some water there. Not too much. I think I poured too much. Just start, get into, whipping. Yeah, I'll pour too much. If you pour too much, you can always add like a handful. Some more dabs of salts. Start looking like you're about to make biscuits. Pretty much this is what it is. It's biscuit like stuff. without the flavor. It's just a lot of salt. Don't eat it, kids. I know it just seems like it's just salt and flour. Don't eat it. It's nasty. You nasty ass kids. Ooh, I cuss. You nasty butt cheek kids. What's wrong with y'all cussing in this? Boot. Yeah. Yeah, I called you that. Boot. And another. Salt. Make sure you ask your parents before doing these videos because this one has a lot of fumes. Alright, I think this is good. Not for me to touch though. Just to take it out. So what you want to do is like add a little bit more flour to the mix. Make a little bed. Ooh, I'm ashy, guys. Oh, this is big. I didn't mean for it to be this big. This is a key to success. You know, I added some, to this one I added some soap and it made it really stiff. I don't know if I want to do that again or, you know, just knead it on up. Knead it. Good thing y'all cannot see my face because y'all would have been roasting me. Roast me in the comment section. Go ahead. If that will make y'all comment. Roast me in the comment section. Forget it. Some people will say you have to cook this. You really don't have to put it on the stove or in the microwave or nothing. It's all Gucci with it, fam. And you got you some Play-Doh. Now, it do got to pass the test, though. So, while that's being Play-Doh, you know, we had to go back to this. I did add soap in this one, only one reason, to keep it moist. Like this one, see, but this one, see, so add a little dab of soap. Like literally, if you're making a big batch, you're gonna need more. But if you're making a big batch, you're gonna have to put it in the microwave for about 1 minute. Each minute, take it out. If the fumes get too big, if the fumes get way too big, you already know how to do it. Take it out the microwave, bro. Don't sit there and just like, bro. You cannot handle the fumes. Take it out the microwave. What I'm doing is adding more flour, like the table flour, not like big gulps of flour. Just knead that in. See, the soap helped it. So, pretty much, same thing. Adding just them together to make a bigger one. So pretty much, yeah. Yeah. To me, it feels like Play-Doh, so I'm just going to keep playing with it and see what happens. And I'm going to update y'all on this one. This big boy. So I did keep playing with the toothpaste one, and turned out to be good. I added a little bit more flour to it. I added some salt just in case. And yeah, so, and then another thing is the hand test, the sticky test. What you want to do is wet your hands, basically clean them off as best you can, and then dry it off as best you can. Make them completely dry as best you can. How many times am I going to say as best you can? Just do it as best you can. Shut up. Did I just tell myself to shut up? See, this is what I do. I talk to myself. I feel, dang, I need to stop. So then you plop that to the side, get this. It surely is passing. Hands completely dry. No residue on my hands. Drops immediately. So yeah, that one is a go. Now let's do this one. Oh, this one's a go too. I'm adding this one to it, and let's get it. This is huge. Big. You might give some to my brother and sister. VJ. Jesse. Jesse. VJ. Jesse. VJ. Jesse. VJ. VJ and Jesse can have these. Put them in bags so they won't dry out, guys. Like, you gotta put that in those bags. Unfortunately, we don't have any Ziploc bags. So, I'm just gonna put it in this bag. And then, you know, fold it. Hope that it survives. And you do the same. Put it in there. Fold it. And hope that it survives. And keep playing with this one, because this one is like, ooh. It's like weird. Okay. Kill the Matrix. Alright, guys. Don't mind me, I'm always nappy. You got some flour on my eyebrow. How'd that happen? But yeah, that's the end of this video. A long video. So yeah. That was